It took so much strength and power for me to come back on this camera after waiting hours for my hair to dry. My hair is still not fully dry, but it's gonna have to do. It's 12 o'clock. It's way past my bedtime. I usually start getting tired around like 10, even 9 sometimes, depending on my day. I get up early. And yes, I'm still wearing my onesie. I have a onesie. I feel like onesies are only for like Christmas and before Christmas, but onesies are for the winter time, period. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I band my hair before I wrap it up at night so it can be bigger in the morning. Gonna do this, then put my scarf on over it, and that's it. I'm not gonna show you guys me putting my scarf on because it's all the way upstairs, and by the time I come upstairs I'm not gonna want to come back down. I am so tired. But I will see you guys tomorrow, and hopefully my hair is not ruined because it's supposed to be fully dry when I band it, but since it's still wet, you know, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but fingers crossed it turns out okay. Yeah. Good night. Bye. I'm good now. I like onesies, but they literally make me look flatter than I already am, okay? Like, this onesie is not doing me any justice right now, like. Okay, so it is the next day. Actually, I'm gonna tell you the truth. It is actually the day after the next day. I filmed the last clip you guys saw on Friday night, and now it is currently Sunday morning. So I ended up having to work yesterday, so I was just like, you know what, I'm not even gonna try to rush and do the rest of the video. I'm gonna wait until I'm off again on Sunday to finish. But it's okay because you guys didn't miss a thing. Look, my hair is still, I literally just went to work with my hair like this. I'm just kidding. But my hair, ouch, that is so rude. I'm about to take it out. Wish me luck. I'm kind of scared, but hopefully it turned out right. But yeah, let's just unband this baby. Oh, okay. Oh crap, I totally left my pick upstairs. This is so annoying. But I usually film in my room, which is upstairs, but I'm filming in the guest room because the guest room is just downstairs and my cousins are here, and so pretty much this is the only room that I can actually like be loud and talk without like being self-conscious that people are listening to me. The only downside of filming downstairs in the guest room is I have to pretty much move all of my equipment, camera equipment, hair stuff down to the guest room. And I'm the type of person that will like take forever to set up, do my makeup, to do all that, to film. And then when I finally sit down and I'm ready to film, I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot something. Run upstairs, grab it, run back downstairs, sit down. Okay, oh shoot, I forgot something. And I just keep doing that for like 5 to 10 times until I'm freaking worn out, sweating, you know, and I'm tired by then and in a bad mood and just freaking digested all my food that I had about 20 minutes ago. And then by the time I finally sit down, it's like an hour or so had passed and I'm hungry and I'm just so frustrated. Yeah. My problems are very small and I should not even be complaining about it. If you have not trimmed your hair and you're scared, just know that I was once you, okay? I was once really scared to trim my hair because I loved my long hair and I didn't want it to be shorter or whatever. But I promise you, once you finally trim your hair will look a lot better. My hair looks so much better, guys. You guys will see. My natural hair journey will be coming soon. I know I've been saying that forever, but literally like in the next week or two, I will be posting my natural hair journey. I can't wait for you guys to see what I've been through. Now, this is the part where I would just shake it out, you know, go in my roots and like, I guess split my hair. Yeah, you just like keep messing with your hair. Kind of like, I guess, pull it a little bit. Pull your hair out. I'm about to do my baby hairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got baby hairs. So I just decided to just do like some natural looking baby hairs. Like, oh, she didn't try baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna get our handy dandy pick. So I'm just gonna go in and pick my hair out. I like to, from the roots, starting at the roots and just pulling up. So like, pretty much like I'm trying to lift my hair up. But obviously, I don't wanna comb through and never do the ends. You wanna keep, you know, your curl pattern. You just wanna lift your roots so you can get that big hair effect. You feel me? Okay. Then dig it in, slide it into the roots and push up. You guys see that? You see the difference? Major difference right there. Then at the bottom, that's what I'm doing too. So I'm just sliding it in there and pulling it down. You guys can see. And I kind of like hold the ends of my hair and then pull the roots outward. Like that. You see how easy it is and how much volume I'm getting? That's crazy. I mean, you could pick as much as you want. I like to go easy on it, especially on the first day. I just don't want to mess up my curls. Alright, so I'm just gonna stop this video here. This is how I get my hair. It is so hot. Oh my gosh. This is ridiculous. This onesie, man, is something serious. But yeah, this is the end of the video. This is my 2019 curly hair / natural hair routine. I am super satisfied with the results, you know, because sometimes, you know, you try to work with your hair and then, you know, it fails you. And you put in all that hard work and time and sweat and tears and blood. I'm just kidding. If blood is coming out of doing all that, then something's wrong. Severely. Yeah, sometimes you just put your hard work into your natural hair and sometimes your natural hair was just like, girl, not today. And you like, but all that time, you know? Okay, am I making sense? Obviously, as I wear my hair out throughout the days, it's gonna get bigger and bigger, so I don't want to like make it super big on the first day. And then I pretty much will like just put it up in a pineapple, and then, you know, wrap my hair at nighttime.